What up, YouTubers? Hello, YouTube. I'm making this video. It's Sunday, March 8th, 2020, of course. But I haven't done a video a couple odd days or something like that. Or I don't know. It's been 3 or 4 days, 2, 3, 4 days. Getting caught up. Right now, I'm making top round steak for my dinner tonight. Letting it cook. I could have done it outside, even though it's nice out. It's the first night, or first day of daylight savings time, where you put our clocks ahead 1 hour, and we lose a sleep of hour, but we gain an hour or 2 hours of daylight. And how we can just get a lot of things done. We can go out and grill, because during the winter time, we all know at 5 o'clock, or that's when it tends to get dark out. But right now, it's light out still. And I'm making dinner indoors, and I'm grilling indoors on my, see right there, top round steak is cooking. I need to flip it here soon. Oh, so it's caught up. Tuesday was Super Tuesday. Why was it Super Tuesday? So all the delegates and candidates can actually get caught up, and everyone else who states didn't get, where the other states in the United States, they voted for who they want in the Democratic Party. Since there's only one Republican, Donald Trump. Now, with the other Democrats that are left, that are still in the race, there's only, I think, 2 of them left, because the rest of them have dropped out, like Buttigieg and Amy Klobuchar, and a lot of other of them have dropped out to support the other 2, and that's pretty much good. The only 2 are left are our former Vice President, is like Joe Biden, and Bernie Sanders are the other one. So, right now I'm going to pretend to flip my steak while I'm talking to you guys here. This is very interesting. So, I'm going to do this. There we go. As I'm making the steak, I feel like I'm almost on my cooking show, but I don't have one. I'm not the famous. Look at all that smoke! Hear all that sizzling? Yeah! If you have not, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do need some more subscribers on my channel. I try to keep you guys updated, but there are other YouTubers out there who are also keeping you updated. And I'm going to try to put try something new, maybe put hashtags in my stories. And I'm thinking that hashtags will maybe make it more easier due to the fact that people can actually find them more easier and link or follow my stories, even though my videos do pop up once in a while. So I'm gonna try putting that in there. Just listen to it though, simmering. It's simmer. You get it? And I have it on high. That's why. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Jinga! Cookie! That's the letter C. As in C, as in, C, as in Cubs! Chicago, as in C, as in Chicago Cubs, yes. It is preseason right now. They're down in Arizona. It's not regular season, but regular season is coming up, and very shortly. And I will be watching a regular season. And I will be keeping up, maybe giving you guys an update on games and all that throughout the season. Even though that there still is football going on. Football season is starting, indoor football anyway. Outdoor football is still going on, not the NFL, but the new XFL. I will not be talking about the new XFL. The reason being, I'm not going to be talking about that, bringing it to my channel, just because it has nothing. Oh, never mind. Leave that part out. But in other words, for those of you who are subscribed to my channel, do thank you, and tell your family and your friends and your relatives or whoever about my channel so they can subscribe to my channel. Even though my channel is always, non-edited, it's always straight up forward. What you see is what you hear, and what you hear is what you get. And there are other YouTubers out there that do more important things, that edit their videos, who go places, who just do a lot of other things, who are quite famous on here, who have Venmos, who can Venmo money to, who make a lot of money here on YouTube, who are famous for what they do, and they're just practically rich and famous. Me, I'm low the totem pole on the bottom of the ladder. And I fear that I may not be famous enough, but I'm trying my best. I'm trying to get there. I'm uploading my TikTok videos to my YouTube channel. See if that helps. See if that does anything. But my duets and my my other videos on there. So yeah, I've got 5 minutes on here. I don't know how long I'm going to be doing this video, so I can upload it. It'll take a while to upload to the videos as I put in the information. So yeah, I better put my stick again. Alright. 7:10, last time I checked. I'm trying to watch Simpsons as I cook too. And yeah, other thing that C stands for, C in blue, that stands for cookie, as in Cookie Monster. Everybody loves Cookie Monster. Everybody loves Sesame Street. Okay, maybe not everybody, okay? I know little kids won't like it. There are little kids who do like it. And I grew up watching Sesame Street. There, I gave you some information on me. And yes, I like Cookie Monster, Big Bird, Snuffleupagus. And there are others on there, like Grover. Yeah, I gave you information myself. Oh well, I don't care. It's out there. One thing we need, one judgment, go right ahead.